Bang, bang, bang. Alright, yeah. Rockabye, rockabye. Rockabye, rockabye. Rockabye, down by the cry. Lift up your head, lift it up to the sky, yo. Rockabye, down by the cry. Angels around you, just dry your eye.
Hello everyone, yup, it's me again, Yumichi. So for today's video, I'm gonna make another tutorial, which is how I shade skin. So I'm gonna show you guys this. Let's get started. So first, I will be using the pencil for making my line art. So I don't really know what I'm doing in this part, but I'm just gonna trust the process. Lol. So after making the line art, now we're gonna be using Penfade and then put our color scheme and then put base color on it and then put the colors for our shadings and then we put it like that. Now we have finished putting all the colors. Now it's shading time. We are gonna be using Airbrush triangle. As you can see on the screen, I've already shown what is the pen we're gonna using, and it is Airbrush triangle. So I'm really no good at explaining on how I shade, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch the video and just understand it on how I shade it and just observe it and watch it and blah blah blah, and I think you can actually understand it in no time. Yep, that's the result. I hope you guys like it and I hope you guys enjoy watching it, and I hope this tutorial will help you solve your problem. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye!